talk, we are going to plant more trees and we are going to learn its growth. Yes, plants are living organisms that are very important. They are very important to life on earth. Yes. Children, let's take up a challenge to grow any one plant. Shall we all do that, children? Yes. With that note, let's start our session with prayer. Children, join your palm and close your eyes. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Dasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Saraswati Namastubhyam, Varade Kamarupini, Vidyarambam Karishyami, Siddhir Bhavatumi Sada. Children, slowly open your eyes. Due to the spread of COVID-19, we request everyone to wear mask, maintain social distancing, wash your hands at least 20 seconds, and use sanitizer frequently. We are in the year to children. Let's update our calendar. Yes, dear, turn off your audio, dear. 2020. Months of the year. Yes, we have to do snap action for the months. Durga ma'am, is my video visible, Durga ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
I think ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Shall we update today's calendar?
Morning,
We are
ma'am.
in the year 2020. There are 12 months in a year.
Yes.
We are going to do months of the year actions. Action for months which has 31 days. And clap action for the month which has 30 days. And pat on shoulder action for February month which has 15 days. And in leap year, it will have 21 days. Let's do the action now. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We are in August. August month is the 8th month of the year. Yes, let's do Days of the Week song. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Shall we write Wednesday? W E D
N.
N E
Yes.
S D A Y. Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's update today's date. Today's date is 5, 7, so 8,
8,
2020. 5 is the date, 8 is August month, and 2020 is the year. Yes. Let's update today's weather. Shall we sing the weather song? Yes. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Or it's cloudy like today? Children, look outside the window and see to yourself whether it is sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy. Children, tell the answer to your parents. They will type it in the chat box, children. Yes, in the last class, we learned tisket, tasket rhyme. Shall we all sing the rhyme again? Yes. A tasket, a brown and yellow basket, a tisket, a tasket, a brown and yellow basket. I sent a letter to my father. On the way, I dropped it. On the way, I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. A little girl picked it up. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. And put it in her pocket. Yes. Yes. Shall we sing the rhyme little bit fast? Yes. A tisket, a tasket, a brown and yellow basket. I sent a letter to my father. On the way, I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way, I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. Hope you all enjoyed the rhymes. Yes. Now over to Durga ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Gayatri ma'am. Happy morning, children. Yes, we are in a new block. Yes, the block number is 5. We are in the 5th block, and the block name is How Does a Seed Grow? What is the block name? How does a seed grow? Yes, in today's class, we are going to have team time. In today's class, we are going to have team time. Yes, children? Yes. In today's class, we are going to listen to what? Magical story. Yes, ma'am is going to tell you all a magical story. After that, we are going to do a interesting activity and we are going to visit a garden also. Are you all ready for all these things, children? Yes. Now here comes a magical story. Now, ma'am is going to turn on my video. Yes. Can you see me, children? Can I have one yes in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is my screen as clear? Yes. Now, ma'am is going to show you a magic. For that, I want all my children to listen, ma'am, carefully. Yes? Okay. Now, can you see this? What is this, children? It's a pencil, right? Now, ma'am is going to drop this pencil. What happened to the pencil? Pencil fall down, right? I'll have another pencil now. Yes, again, ma'am is going to drop the pencil. What happened? That pencil again fall down. Now, ma'am is going to bring a magic. See, can you see a pencil now? Yes. What happened to this pencil? Why it is not falling down? See? See, it is not falling down. Why? Yes, it's a magic, right? I hope you all enjoyed this pencil magic. Yes, same way we are going to see a magical story now. Yes, before going to the story, ma'am is going to teach you a few things and then we will go for the story. Right, children? Yes, I want all my children to sit straight and listen. Yes? Okay, the first one. Yes. Can you see those things, children? Yeah, what are they? They are beans. Okay, they are beans. They are seeds which can grow into one new plant. They are seeds which can grow into a new plant. Those are bean seeds. Okay, children? Next one. Yeah. Can you see a stalk? Yeah. Stalk is a middle stem of a plant. That middle stem of a plant, we call it as stalk. Okay. Stalk is a middle stem of the plant. The next one. Yes. Can you see a big, strong person? Yeah, he's a giant. Okay, how to call him? He's a giant, is a very strong and big person. He's a giant. Okay, the last one. Yes. Can you see this picture, children? Yeah, it's a harp. It's a harp. Harp is a string musical instrument. Yes, we can play and hear a lovely music. It's a string musical instrument. That instrument is called harp. So we saw beans, then stalk, giant, and harp. We know the meaning of all these words, right, children? Now we are going into a magical story. Are you all ready for the story, children? Yes. The name of the story is Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay. The name of the story is Jack and the Beanstalk. Yes. Now, ma'am is going to tell a story. I want all my children to sit straight and listen. Yes. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack. The boy called Jack and his mother, they lived in a small hut. They lived in a very small hut. Who are living in this small hut? Jack and his mother were lived in a small hut and they were very poor. They don't have money. All they had only one cow. Okay. They were very poor. They had no money. They had only one cow. Okay. One day morning, Jack's mother told Jack to take the cow to the market to sell her. Jack's mother told Jack to take the cow to the market to sell her. Okay, Jack took the cow and he started going on the way to the market. Yes, and on the way he was going, that time he met a very old man. He met a very old man, and the old man gave some magical beans to Jack in exchange of the cow. So the old man, he got the cow and he gave him some magical beans in return of the cow. Yes. And Jack got those magical bean and he took his home and he gave it to his mother. Yes, Kanna, kindly put yourself in mute and listen, dear. Yes. So Jack gave those magical seed to his mother, and mother don't know what to do with the magical beans. So she threw all the magical bean out of the window. So what the mother did here? The mother don't know what to do with the magical bean. So she threw all the magical bean out of the window. Yes. Then the next day morning, when Jack woke up and he saw a big beanstalk out of his window. Those seeds, right? The mummy threw those seeds, right? All they grew into a very big beanstalk. Yes, and they grew and grew, and it is almost very high near to the sky. Yes, it grows very high, almost near to the sky. Jack started climbing up and up and up on the beanstalk and reached the top of the beanstalk. So Jack started climbing up the beanstalk and he reached the top of the beanstalk and he saw a big house. Jack saw a big house on top of the beanstalk. Yes, you know who was inside the house, children? A very big giant was inside that house. And Jack went near to the giant and he told all his story. Right? He was very poor, he don't have any money for his family. All that he told to the giant. Then the giant he started doing some magic. What he said, you know, 3, 5, 4, farm has a little man on the run. All he need is a bag of gold to buy the cow once he sold. So the giant told the magical word 3, 5, 4, farm, and the giant gave a bag full of gold. The giant gave a bag full of gold to Jack. Yes, Jack was very happy. He took the bag of gold and he came down and he started getting what are the things he want for himself. Yes, with the gold coin, he brought the cow which he sold, right? He brought it back and he got lot of food things to eat, and then he bought new clothes and he started living happily with the gold coin. Yes, he spent for himself, he spent for his family, and he started living a very happy life. And what happened? All the gold coins got over. Yes, now Jack left without nothing. He spent all the gold coin and now he don't have any more gold coins. So he sold the cow again and he spent that money also. Okay, now Jack left without nothing. So Jack again he decided to meet the giant. So he climbed up, and he saw the giant again and he told all the story, and the giant this time again doing the magic. What was a magical word, children? You all can say along with ma'am. 3, 5, 4, 5. Yes, a little man on the run. All he need is a bag of gold to buy the cow once he sold. Yes, the giant told the magical word, and this time Jack requested the giant to say to give him not the gold coin. He requested the giant to give him anything else where he can earn money. So Jack told that this time he don't need a gold coin, something else he want, and with that he needs to make money for himself. Yes, so the kind giant, he gave him a harp. Yes, the kind giant, he gave him a harp. Harp was a musical instrument, right? Yes, Jack was very good in playing harp. So he started playing for his village people, and the village people paid him to listen to his music. Yes, Jack was very good in playing the harp. So he started playing for his village people. So the village people paid him money to listen his music. So Jack started earning on his own. So this time he started making money, and he never visited the giant again because he started earning money. Yes, children. Then Jack and his mother started living a very happy life. Yes. I hope you all enjoyed this story. Yes, children? Yeah. Now let's see. Once again, ma'am is going to do a quick recap of the story. So, who were all there in the story? Jack and his mother. They both lived in a very small hut. They were very poor. They don't have money except a cow. Yes. So Jack mother told Jack to sell the cow in a market and get something for the family. And on the way, when Jack was about to go to the market, he met a old man. Yes. And the old man gave some magical beans to Jack in exchange of the cow. Right? And Jack gave the magical bean to his mother, and the mother don't know what to do with that. So what she did, she simply threw all the bean seed out of the window, right? Yes. The next day morning, all those magical bean grew into a very big beanstalk, right? And what happened then? Jack climbed up and up and up on the beanstalk, and he reached to the top of the beanstalk where he saw a big house. Yes, inside the house who was there? A giant was there, right? Yes, Jack told all the story, and the giant, he did a magic and he gave a bag full of gold. Yes, Jack got all the needs and he spent all the gold coins, right? Yes, yes. After spending all the gold coin, again Jack met the giant and he asked for help, right? And this time Jack requested giant to give him gold coin. No, right, children? Yeah, this time Jack requested the giant to give anything else where he can earn money, right? So the giant gave a harp. Yes, the giant gave him a harp. With that, Jack was very good in playing the harp. So he started playing for the village people, and the people paid him to listen his music. Yes, so that's how Jack started earning on his own. So again, he didn't go and meet the giant for any help. Right, children? Yes, this is the story of Jack and the Beanstalk. I hope all my children enjoyed the story. Yes? Yeah. Now, okay, I have a few questions for you children. Is this a way that all the seeds grow, children? Like the way the beanstalk grew? Yes? Even in the next day morning, can any seed grow to that big, children? Right? Seed can't grow in that way, right, children? Okay. Let's all do an activity and observe a seeds grow, children. Shall we do one small activity and observe? Yes. Now Gayatri ma'am is going to do an activity. I want all my children to observe the activity. Yes. Over to Gayatri ma'am.
Thank you, Durga ma'am. Is my video visible, Durga ma'am?
Yes, shall we do an activity, children? Shall we all sow some seeds and observe the growth? Shall we all sow some seeds and observe the growth, children? Yes, can you all see my video? Yes, see, children, ma'am is having a small cup with soil. Ma'am is having a small cup with soil. Yes, see, ma'am is having fenugreek seeds. Ma'am is having fenugreek seeds. We can take any seeds like coriander seeds or mustard seeds or any other seeds. Now, ma'am is having fenugreek seeds. Okay, children. Now, I'm going to see, children. Now, I'm sowing few fenugreek seeds inside the soil. Yes, I'm sowing few fenugreek seeds inside the soil. Yes, I'm gently covering the seeds with soil. I'm gently covering the seeds with the soil. Yes, can you all see this, children? I'm gently covering the seeds with soil. Yes, now I'm going to sprinkle small amount of water. I'm going to sprinkle small amount of water. Okay. Yes, can you see this, children? You have to sprinkle small amount of water until the soil is get well moisturized, and until the soil is well moisturized. Okay, children? Yes, I'm sprinkling a small amount of water. Yes. So, ma'am have sown seeds and I'm going to observe it. I'm going to observe the seed growth. Yes, children? Yes, ma'am have sown seeds and I'm going to observe this seed growth. Seeds growth. Okay? I request all my children to sow some seeds and observe it. Okay, children? I request all my children to sow some seeds and observe it. Okay, dears? Make sure every morning you have to sprinkle some water to your seeds. Make sure every day morning you have to sprinkle some water to your seed. Okay, children? And also, sunlight is very important for its growth. Also, sunlight is very important for its growth. So, we need to keep this cup where it gets sunlight. Where it gets sunlight. Okay, children? So, sunlight is very important. And so, we have to keep this cup where it gets sunlight. Okay? So, water, water and sunlight are very important for the growth of plants. Okay, children, so I request all my children to sow some seeds and observe it. Okay, dears?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes now. Yes. See, we are seeing a very beautiful garden. Yeah, wow, what a beautiful garden. Yes, we can see trees, flowers, butterfly. Yes, you can see a very beautiful garden, children. We can see the beautiful garden with the help of our eyes. We see the beautiful garden with the help of our eyes. Yes. And the next one, we smell the fresh breeze. We smell the fresh breeze in the morning with the help of our nose. With the help of our nose. And children, we can hear the chirping sound. Yeah, smell with the help of our nose. And we can hear the chirping sound of the birds. We can hear the chirping sound of birds. When we go to the garden in the early morning, we can hear the chirping sound of birds with the help of our ears. With the help of our ears. And we can see birds build their nest, children. Birds build their nest in the garden. Yes, in the garden we can see on the top of the trees we can see birds build their nest. And children, we get the fruits and vegetables. Yummy fruits and vegetables from the garden, which we taste using our tongue. Using our tongue. And we touch and feel the different textures of flowers, leaves, and many more things with the help of our skin. We touch and feel different textures of flowers, leaves, and many more things with the help of our skin. Yes, over to Durga ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. Yes, children, in today's class, we had a theme time. We did a recap of Tiske Taske Rhyme, right? So, shall we sing Tiske Taske Rhyme once again? Now, ma'am is going to sing rhyme for you all, children. You all can put yourself in mute and sing along with ma'am. Shall we sing Tiske Taske? Yes. Wait, I'll turn on my video as well now. Yes. Can you see ma'am's video, dear? Can I have one yes in the chat box? Yes. Now let's sing Attisket Tasket rhyme. Attisket, Attasket, a brown and yellow basket. I sent a letter to my father, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in a pocket. Yes, we'll sing once again. A tisket, a tasket, a brown and yellow basket. I sent a letter to my father, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in a pocket. Right? I hope you all enjoyed the story. Rhyme, Tisket Tasket rhyme. And then in today's class, we listened. What story, children? What was the story? name? Yes, we listen to one magical story. Yes, Jack and the Beanstalk story, right? Yes, I hope you all enjoyed that story. Yes, you all going to try to say the same story to your family members today. Yes, can you all think and recollect this story, children? And you can tell the same story to your family members. Yes, and we saw, yes, and then we saw a interesting activity Gayatri ma'am did, right? What was the activity about? Yes, we are going to sow any seed today and observe the growth of the seed. Shall we all do that, children? Can you sow whatever seed you have in your home? And every day you need to sprinkle some water after sowing it. Seeds, right? After that, you have to keep it under sunlight. Yes, where the plant gets sunlight, you have to place your pot outside. Yes, sunlight and water is very important in the growth of your plant. Can you all do this activity, children? Will you all sow any one seed? And you are going to observe the growth of the seed. Yes, you are going to observe the growth of the seed, how it is going, whether like a Jack's magical seed, magical bean seed, or in a different way. Okay, let's all observe how our seed is like growing. Shall we do, children? Can I have yes in the chat box? Yes? Yes. And then ma'am took you all to a beautiful garden, right? Yes, we see all those beautiful creatures in the garden with the help of our eyes. And then we listen to a different sound, like a bird chirping sound, all that with the help of our ears. And when we go early morning to a garden, we could feel the freshness of the garden, right? We smell different pleasant smell with the help of our nose, right, children? And we can touch and feel different texture in the garden. You can touch and feel different leaves or any tree bark, all that you can touch and feel with the help of your skin, right, children? And we get fruits, vegetables, all that from a garden. We can taste, and we can taste it with the help of our tongue, right, children? Yes. So we did a recap of rhyme and we learned a story, and we are going to do this activity. Yes, children? Done. Yes. Now, can we have Shiva Amudan? Kanna, kindly unmute your video. Shiva Amudan, birthday baby, can you unmute your video, dear? Yes, today Shiva Amudan of UKGA is celebrating his birthday. So let's all sing birthday song for Shiva Amudan now. Yes, children, put yourself in mute and you all can sing along with ma'am. Yes, we have Shiva Amudan. Shiva Amudan.
Happy birthday, Shiva.
We'll all sing birthday song, children. Wait. Yes, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shiva Amudan. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Shiva Amudan. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Happy birthday, Shiva Amudan. Yes, with this note, today's session, children, everyone stay home and stay safe. Okay. All can turn on your video and say to ma'am now. Yes.